We at Mitsubishi Motors, we are very excited with this project, collaborating with the IED. It's a great opportunity for us to communicate that we have a European design working for the global products of our company, and it's a fantastic chance also to work with new talents in future projects. The digital tools are a great opportunity for us to dynamize our workflow, but at the end of the day we are doing cars for the road. So always the physical model is super important for us to confirm that our idea works in reality. For this special project with the IED, we have selected a very special concept for us, very emotional, and after having met all the students now, we are looking forward. I personally am very excited about the output of ideas that we will together create for this project.